Welcome to Relationship Take 5, where we delve into the complex world of relationships, providing insight and advice to help you build stronger, more fulfilling connections. Today, we turn our attention to a pivotal element that can either fortify or fracture any intimate relationship: trust. We'll be delving into the negative impacts of a lack of trust on both emotional and physical intimacy, and providing you with practical tips to identify and tackle the root causes of mistrust. So gear up for an enlightening journey. Imagine being in a relationship where every action and word from your partner is questioned. This constant doubt and suspicion creates an atmosphere of insecurity, directly influencing the emotional bond you share with your partner. The resulting distance and guardedness prevent the necessary vulnerability for emotional intimacy to thrive. Trust indeed is the bedrock upon which strong relationships are built. Now, it's time to identify some common root causes of mistrust in relationships. The first step towards rebuilding trust is recognizing these issues. One significant cause is communication breakdown. When partners fail to communicate their thoughts and emotions openly and honestly, it leads to misunderstandings, doubt, and suspicion. Another cause can be past betrayals or infidelity, which leave a lingering sense of insecurity. Furthermore, unfulfilled promises or unmet expectations can create feelings of betrayal and mistrust. So how do we address these root causes? Let's take a look at some actionable tips. Firstly, communication breakdown. To tackle this, commit to creating an environment where both partners can express themselves freely, fostering open and honest conversations. Practice active listening and don't shy away from expressing your feelings and concerns. Secondly, past betrayals or infidelity. If this is the issue, start a sincere conversation about the incident. Consider seeking couples counseling to help navigate the emotional aftermath together. Remember, rebuilding trust after infidelity takes time, patience, and a joint commitment to healing. Finally, unmet expectations. To address this, it's important to establish realistic and clear expectations from the beginning. Regularly discuss your needs, desires, and future goals with your partner. Understanding each other's expectations can prevent feelings of betrayal and disappointment. Remember, rebuilding trust is a journey, not a destination. If you find these tips helpful, do give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and share it with someone who might benefit from it. Until next time, continue to stay connected, stay trusting, and keep the love alive.